Finally got some fire mudding stuff. Do a little unboxing here. Go pick this up there just before lunch. Let's see what we got. I was just talking about waiting for some halos and some foot pegs there. Let's see if I can get a half decent shot getting this open. Nothing real special about the box. I don't know if that's a good sound or not. So I could glue these bastards on. Alright. Fire mudding, green. Sweet. Oh, hell yeah. Clear silicone. Alright, so it looks like that's what we're into for that. Cool. Let's see, our little green switch in there comes with. Peel this open. So we're kind of doing the old one-arm Jimmy here. Sorry if your name's Jimmy and you only got one arm. Nothing personal. Hope you don't take offense to her, old boy. Alright, well, other than that, I mean, those halos and the wiring and stuff could be half decent quality there, which is why I went with fire mudding, of course. Everybody knows if you're looking to get halos or aftermarket accessories, you want something decent. They're all the thing. Just have that shut back in there. So those are going to be wicked. Get those on here soon. Even more important, these here for functionality. Good old gift wrap job on that. Peel off this cellophane. Wicked. Those have a little bit more meat on them. Not as wide though. You know what, I might end up just going with the old Renegade 800 or something on one of the newer Can-Ams. Actually get a look and see what they got out there, but I mean, at the end of the day, those definitely have more meat on them. Definitely more than a flip-flop's worth of tread on them babies. Set them next to there. Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. Those are going to be a lot better. Half line up those holes too. Holy, you guys might be able to get those on right within a minute or two. Excellent. Well, that is definitely going to do the trick. Let's see how they go. Not 100% sure they'll stay on there forever. They even send it with some hardware. Lock nuts. All good. Wicked. So may or may not be an installation video on those. Have to wait and see. Definitely not into videotaping myself gluing shit together. But each their own. I'm sure you could probably figure that out. Those are going to fit in there. Wicked. They don't go around the headlight though, eh? That's kind of strange. I thought maybe the headlight would fit right inside of that halo. But I think they literally just glue them suckers on right on the front. So she's, if you're into details, you know, that might drive you wild. But at the end of the day, she be what she be. When it's all covered in mud, everyone's having a good time anyway. And that's when she'll be looking her best. Wicked, guys. Talk to you again later.